Ito yung start ng ating kilay. So, this is located in sa center ng nostril. Yan, oo.
Okay.
Okay. So, you can get your white eyeliner pencil. Kapag sakto na, you don't have to put a mark.
Okay. So here.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sakto na yan. Okay,
Okay.
sakto siya. Sige, other side. Okay, sakto din siya. Maybe a few strands lang kulang dito sa left compared dito sa right. Another is yung arch.
Mm-hmm.
Ito yung mag-define ng whole shape ng brows. So, from the center of your nostril, you need to slant your marker towards the center of your eyeball. Kailangan center talaga. And then put a mark. The center ha? I think medyo...
South center.
Hindi pa.
Is it here?
Yan, correct.
Okay.
Yan, and then upwards. Okay, good. Though, your arch, dito siya nag-bend. Yung natural arch mo. So, are you sure this is the correct measurement? Let's see. The handle should be on the center of your nostril here.
Here?
Yes, here.
No?
Yan, and then center of your eyeball. Yan.
Oh, okay.
Oo, medyo ibabaan mo lang yung ayun, no.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. See, sakto naman yung kilay mo. Baka
Okay.
i-under natin siya tumaas. Okay. And then, punta parallel marking here sa ilalim. This is your brow bone indicator. Yan. Sometimes kasi yung kilay nagmumukha siyang Sharpie just because hindi sila pantay ng pag-slope pababa.
Oh,
Okay. And then, the length of your brows, galing sa end ng nose, here, yes, end ng mata, dapat hindi to siya kahaba. Yes. Okay, good. Pantay. Sige, let's measure the other side. The handle should be on the center of your nostril. Here.
here.
Yan. Towards the center of your... yan. Okay. Okay, good. I think okay naman siya.
Okay.
And then, parallel marking. Okay. And then, let's check the length. Okay. So, in conclusion, yung kilay mo naman is okay yung measurements. It's just yung left na brows kung sa tail is medyo bigger.
Okay.
So, if you check, no, reason kung bakit mukhang much wider yung temple mo dito is because of the kilay. Dito, sakto-sakto lang. Dito, parang wine siya tignan kasi kulang yung kilay. Ganon. Okay. It's gonna be easy for you.
Yeah.
So it's either you fill in your brows with a brow powder. But for today, medyo puro brow pen lang yan, but a little bit defined. Okay. So ang gagawin natin is we're going to use a brow powder just to fill in yung skin para flash-proof siya. We're going to get... Lift muna natin yung brows. Okay. Para makita talaga natin yung shape ng kilay.
May effect ba?
Syempre.
Parang doesn't do anything.
No, you just need to lift your brows kasi minsan nakaganyan siya, messy. So, kailangan natin makita yung roots ng hair. So, if you draw, hindi siya magiging super thick. Yan. Okay. Yan. Okay. Next, using your brow pencil. So, for events, we don't really use yung brow pencil, but I wanna teach you how to draw your kilay kasi.
Okay.
For your kilay kasi, you have thick brows eh. So what we do is just we lift it with your dimension product, which is this brow gel from
Which side
Absolute.
do I use po? Is there like a... Do you use it like that? There's no preference?
Parang same lang naman siya, pero kung saan yung stroke mo, mauuna yung mas mababa.
Oh.
First thing is we're going to draw a straight line sa loob lang ng hair. So do it with a very, very light hand in small dragging motions. Draw a straight line hanggang dito lang sa may brow bone.
O, sa baba po?
Sa loob lang ng hair.
Nasa loob.
So, kailangan very, very faint lang siyang ganyan.
Oh, okay.
It's either mas lighter yung outline mo or kasing color lang ng hair.
Oh,
Okay. And another is, when you measure it with your, maybe let's say this one, with your stick, pag measure mo siya, kailangan straight yung line mo. If you're seeing parang white spaces dun sa ilalim, di ba? There's a white space here. Kailangan mas straight. Sige.
So until here?
Oo. So, you need to stop yung line mo dun sa my brow mo. Okay? Let's see. So, I'm going to lift your brows. We're gonna check yung drawing na ginawa mo. If it's straight. Yan. Okay. This is nice. Very, very faint yung line. Good. Now, I'm going to measure it with my stick. Let's see. So, your brows, naturally arching siyang ganyan. If I put this down, see, ito yung pinaka-last strand na hair mo versus dito sa front. You need to parang lower yung sulat mo dito. Kailangan straight siya dito sa ilalim.
Oh, okay. So I see.
Oo.
So over here.
Yes. And then maintain your straight line. Can be slanting ha. Curve lang din papunta sa may dulo.
So when it's glam brows, you don't do the strokes na.
We can, pero dito sa part na to, kaya very, very light lang.
Oh, okay.
Yan, para ma-color lang natin siya. Okay. I think okay naman yung brows. It's not too thick. Maybe because hindi pa tayo tapos doon sa makeup.
Okay.
Oo. Okay. Sige, next naman natin is using your brow gel. Sige, get your brow gel. Backcomb your brows first, again without touching the skin. Yes, upward motion sa front. Okay, and then the rest is in slanting upward motions. Yan, okay.
Oh, okay. Because I was just putting it in the upward motion.
Yan, okay. Tapos the rest is pa 1 o'clock ka na, tapos pa 2, and then here pa 3. Yan, good.
Oh,
Para
okay.
filled in yung brows ng hair.
Yes.
Tapos, kung merong lagpas dito lang naman, scrape mo siya going down.
Here.
And then, dito
Here.
lang, yan, oo. Keep mo yung bushy brows dyan sa front para maganda.